Next, we are having terms related to a simple machine. So in order to learn the simple machine, firstly some basic terms are there that we should know first, and how to use that term, see carefully what are that terms. First we are having effort. So what do you mean by effort? In order to use any machine, firstly we have to apply some force on that machine so that machine can do work. Okay, by simply just sitting on one like a place, the machine cannot do its work. Fine, we have to go on machine, we have to work, we have to apply some force on that machine. So this force applied by us on the machine is known as effort. Fine. And next term we are having load. Load means it is a force exerted by the machine on an object. Means now after applying our work, after applying our force, what this machine is applying force on an object or this load in order to lift it up or whatever it want to do, the force exerted by the machine on an object is known as load. Okay, term related to simple machine is fulcrum. So what do you mean by fulcrum? It is a fixed point. It is a fixed point about which this simple machine is going to rotate while doing work. This fixed point is known as fulcrum. Okay. Next point we are having mechanical advantage. What do you mean by mechanical advantage? Actually, mechanical advantage is a ratio of load over effort. Means load over effort means what? Load we have learned now only. Load is a force exerted by machine on an object. So what the force is acting by machine on an object over what the force we are applying on the machine in order to do that work. This is a ratio of these two terms. So these two terms is a ratio called mechanical advantage. So here we are having definition of mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is measured by the ratio of load over effort. Mechanical advantage is equals to load over effort. Next we are having SI units. As we know, load is what? Load is a force applied by machine on an object. So in short, load is a force. And what is the SI unit of force? SI unit of force is Newton. In the same way, SI unit of load is also Newton because load is also a force, kind of force. Next, we are having SI unit of effort. As we know, what is an effort? Effort means whatsoever force we are applying on the machine in order to work it, that is known as effort. Okay. So effort is also a force applied. Force SI unit is Newton, means effort SI unit is also Newton. If you talk about the mechanical advantage, SI unit of mechanical advantage is load over effort. What is the SI unit of load? Newton. What is the SI unit of effort? Newton. So Newton will cancel each other, means mechanical advantage is having no units. Okay. Next important term related to simple machine is input. So what do you mean by input? See carefully. Input is a work done on machine. In order to move this machine, whatsoever work we are doing on machine, that is known as input, or you can also say like this, energy supplied to the machine. And but don't get confused in effort and input. Actually in effort I told that whatsoever force we are applying on the machine. Force means, effort means force, we are applying force. Force means push or pull to an object. Push or pull to any object is known as force. But here in case of input I am saying work done on machine. Work done means what? Work done means force multiply distance. Means how much force we are applying on machine and how much distance it is moving. Okay. So work done means force multiply distance, and force, simple force means push or pull to an object. Next important term related to simple machine we are having output. So what do you mean by output? Output is the useful work done by machine on an object. Means how much work this machine is showing on an object in order to do the work, that is known as output. And second definition you can learn like this also, energy imparted by the machine on the object, that is known as output. Next important term related to a simple machine we are having efficiency of a machine. So what do you mean by efficiency of a machine? Efficiency of machine is defined as the ratio of work done by the machine on the load, which is also known as output. So it is the ratio of output over work done by us on the machine, or you can say input. Okay, so efficiency is having the formula output over input. If you want to calculate the efficiency percentage, so efficiency percentage formula is output over input multiply 100. This you can simply learn also. Fine, this is known as efficiency of a machine.